looks like they're opening the store, man, at 5:58. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna slide in here real quick. Let's see what we got. Another chase? Who knows? You know they ain't coming with stickers anymore, so. Quick 6 a.m. run. Everything we already seen. All look pretty cool. Already seen all those. I keep on thinking that's a skyline. Huh. Stars and stripes still sitting there. That's sitting there. We already seen everything there. We already got the chase of this one. They're no longer making chase pieces. It's official. M2 said no more chase stickers. So that way the non-collectors have a harder time trying to find everything and give us collectors a better shot because we know what we're looking for. So if you don't know, keep on watching the videos and we'll educate and keep on showing people what the chases look like so you have a good chance of getting them. Man, that looks so clean right here. Is that the chase? Because I heard these aren't coming with chase pieces neither, but I don't know. That thing looks clean though. I think that is the chase, is it? There's 4. It's a Datsun. We already got the Datsun. That is the chase. So this is the main. So there's the main Chevy, and then the wagon right here, the chase. No chase sticker. So again, looks like in 2023, man, they might be getting rid of the chase stickers for a lot of the pieces. So know what you're looking for. We found a chase, no sticker. Perfect. I'm probably gonna leave the Datsun. Again, prime example, man, know what you're looking for, because if not, as a collector, you're gonna miss a chase too. But this is definitely a chase piece. Oh, and one last thing. You may not collect all of these, but look through them, because they do have these in raw, or it looks like kind of like a Zamac, where it's just all like metal. So do look out for those. Those are extra rare. All right, another Wally 6 a.m. Run Chronicles. But to remember on these haulers, looks like these have a chase piece. So it's probably gonna be some crazy thing like the last one we saw in the red one, where these are probably just barely chrome. So make sure you pay attention to these. 750 pieces, there's no sticker though. 840 pieces, but no chase. So stay tuned. Bunch of 5-packs. Is this the, no, this can't. What is this? This is the 8 case. Alright, I guess the 8 case hit my shelves, guys. Let's see what we got. We got this. This is definitely an 8 case. Nissan Patrol Custom. Probably gonna grab that. I know one of these, I don't even know what the treasure hunts are. Totally forgot. Dang you. These here. The only car I was looking for, look, I came over here sitting on itself by itself. So we ain't find no treasure hunt. We found that one though. And there's another collector here. All right, man. 7 a.m. Chronicles does it again. Got a good old Sylvia. A couple of red Civics. A few AKs. I ain't seen none of the treasure hunts though. It's the Raging Cajun, the red one. And of course the Batmobile, the Super. Yeah, much on the shelf, but they had the combi, the mellow yellow combi. No chase, but I like it. I didn't know if I had it in my collection or not, but we definitely had to add that bad boy there. Story though. So my boy had gave me this, and there was a time, for like a couple of months, I haven't had this in my car. I haven't been really getting any really chases, man. As soon as I put this bad boy back in my car, the chase piece has been flying. Let's go. Appreciate you, Roscoe. So AK.
With Metro by T-Mobile, you can save even more. Take home free 5G all with the power of the T-Mobile 5G network. More savings, more holiday, only on Metro.
It just suited me. That's good. Hotwheel Super. I'm gonna go hang all these cars up. Subi. So we found 2 supers and 2 treasure hunts. Guys, I couldn't really record. There was other collectors there, but we were to open 2 A cases. There goes your super. And there goes your second super. Man, and there goes your treasure hunt. Let's go. So I came to do a run at the Wally that we found the supers last night. And it was about 4 cases of the A case. And we did find 2 supers. And looks like there's really no more cars left, man. This is crazy. I'm gonna have to go through that a little bit, but look, all the cars almost gone. This is wild. They ate up that A case like it was candy. Jeez Louise. Yep. All right, guys, give me a second here. They came through and they wrecked the set. All 8 cases. They snagged 2 of these real quick. Other than that, nothing on. Well, let's see. Alright, so they did get an A case here. Sheriff's already been picked through. That's good to see the AK. I might snag me another one, who knows. These are pretty neat though. Gotta grab you one of these. Chase. They didn't have nothing in my Walmart this morning, so let's go and run to another one. Good year. Nice. Let's go put this up where it's supposed to be. And let's get out of here, guys. That's all they got. What else you want to see? Nothing to see no more. Yeah.